Hey guys, it might be a little bit loud because we are in Lancaster. Actually, this is kind of, I want to say this is Bird in Hand area. We're at Ken's Garden Center. Oh no, I'm sorry, Ken's Gardens it's called. And we're going to take you for a tour if you're out this way. I just saw over here, it's a whole greenhouse. We're going to go inside. So, very exciting.
Oh, thank you.
Oh god, look at the head planters with glasses.
Oh, those are cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Thank you.
Super cute.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, we used to carry them a lot.
Beautiful pots. Oh, I love this one. Oh, that's pretty. All kinds of nice herbs. Really nice selection. Yes, I found my section. Oh, I love these little hanging kind of live edge shelves. $16, very cute. A really nice selection here. Oh yeah, so let's see where they are. Ah, I see one right above. Looks like a princess. More herbs. These are so pretty. Look at that, $14.99 for them. Little goldfish plant. $16.99, that's not bad. Oh, look how cute the little burrows too.
Then our neighbor next door decided to get his couch surveyed.
I have never seen this. What is this? Little pickles. It's adorable.
Oh, snake plant. These are snake plants.
So cute. Little terrarium. This is called the fairy plant section. Make your little, not fairy plant, fairy gardens. Oh, I love anything like fairy gardenish. Oh, big stretch.
Oh, he's got plants. See that?
Oh, he's got the extra one.
That 6 toe.
Hi. Aww.
Yeah.
Aww.
Oh, he loves the head rubs.
Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
It's so cute to see a baby monstera with just like a little fenestration in there. He's starting to get his little holes. And they are $19.99. Some philodendrons. Oh, look how cute. Some spider plants. I like these like little hanging plant stands. Are cute. I think you can make those if you're crafty.
Did you get the chandelier planter?
Ooh, I did not. Look at that. Just a sea of color. Wow, it's beautiful. I love these little people that have the air plants. A little air plant section. Those people are so cute. That's smart to have the little display with the people. Let's see what they charge. $6 for this guy. It's just so cute. It makes you want to have air plants. I have not gotten into air plants yet, so I don't know. I'm not there yet. I really like these pots. $2.29. And this is a 5.5 inch, which I think is going to be great to repot my small aeroids in. And then look for $1.09. These are stamped Germany. Really reasonable.